Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your edits reverse in Video Star. Alright, let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so to begin with, you're going to want to have your edit, velocity or normal, it doesn't really matter. You're going to want to have it all in one clip and then have a separate clip over here where you want it to loop. So all you have to do is press on edit, press on copy, and then go over to the part where you want your edit to loop, and then go over, press edit, press paste, and then go to the very end of the clip and then press on set end, and then press on paste, wait for it to load, and then press on new motion, press on reverse, press apply, press save, and that is it. Hopefully you guys found this tutorial useful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!